Everyone, once again, and we have completed up to worksheet 8 and now we're moving to the worksheet 9. Let's see what is there in worksheet 9. Read the following sentences taken from the unit People at Work in My English Reader. There the sentence is, Papa, a sweet for me, the little one would ask. You will only have a kick, would come the angry voice of the father. How would you shout at a little child? What does he know? His wife would protest. Protest means to speak something against, मतलब उसको उस चीज़ का विरोध करती थी. तो point is here, you just notice this how the inverted comma is used. This is when someone speaks directly to, when something is spoken in a direct way, then it is put into inverted comma, enclosed. You know, inverted commas are used to enclose the words spoken by someone. So let's do it. Let's do the exercise. See here, inverted comma are used to enclose the words spoken by someone. Just like, how would you shout at a little child? ये किसने कहा? मम्मी ने कहा. किसको कहा? उसके पापा को कहा. तो चलो इसको रीराइट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस यूजिंग कॉमास, फुल स्टॉप, क्वेश्चन मार्क्स एंड इन्वर्टेड कॉमास wherever necessary. You should go to the bed now, the matron said. Now see here, matron said. तो यहाँ पर the matron is speaking directly to someone. So it should be, inverted comma should be here and one comma should be here. This is enclosed and now it is here, and here it is one full stop. The matron said. There lives and now you have to write the complete sentence once again by using all the inverted comma and the rectification. You have to rewrite this sentence. Now this is, there lives a beautiful white cat in this house. In this house, whispered means to say something in a low voice. There lives a beautiful white cat in this house. तो यहाँ पर एक inverted comma, यहाँ पर comma, and this full stop. Here it should be full stop. And you have to rewrite here. This sentence has to be rewritten here. Are you practicing for the match next week? Asked Raghu's mother. Now this sentence is spoken by Raghu's mother, so it has to be kept into inverted comma. Here this is inverted comma and this is comma. Asked Raghu's mother, full stop. Who has put so many frogs in the room? Now see here, said Mr. Wells. Mr. Wells asked, okay, are you practicing maths? One thing more. Here it has to be question mark. Question mark has to be put here because this is a question. Are you practicing? This is a question, so question marks has to be included here. Are you practicing? And thereafter inverted comma, close. And asked Raghu's mother. Who has put so many frogs in my room? Said Mr. Wells. Mr. Wells is asking what? Said who. It has to be inverted comma, begins here. Who has put so many frogs in my room? And question tag, क्योंकि ये question है, and inverted comma, close, and then comma. It should be inverted comma here, and then question mark, frogs in my room, question mark, and then inverted comma, close, and then one comma here. Said Mr. Wells, and then here it is full stop, and rewrite complete sentence over here. Now what is there? Now worksheet 10. What is there in the worksheet 10? Read the poem given below. Put in the missing inverted commas. Okay, यहाँ पर inverted comma कुछ miss हो गए हैं, जिसको that you have to rectify. You have to correct it. Now let's see it. Have you been down to the park? This is correct. Asked a boy whose dog was called Mark. You will get such a scare when you see what is there. Okay, that's correct. I was shocked, said Mark with a bar. They have moved all my favorite things, cried a girl with her arms in a sling. They have flattened the slide. Inverted comma. Now see here, it is direct speech. Yelled means chillana. Yelled a boy at her side, and they have even got rid of the swings. I wonder what will come next. Matlab, this boy is speaking these two lines, so it has to be put into inverted comma. I wonder what will come next. I wonder what will come next, said. So again this sentence is being said by this man, so it has to be put into inverted comma. Okay, so I wonder what will come next, said a young boy in a red vest. Well, I would like a pool. Well, said, again this is directly spoken, so it has to be put into inverted comma. Well, I would like a pool, said his friend. Very cool. Yes, please, shouted all the rest. Now this sentence is shouted by all these people, so it has to be put into inverted comma. Yes, please, shouted all the rest. Well, could it be houses? Because this sentence is being spoken by our dad, so it has to be kept into inverted comma. Well, could it be houses? And it should be closed. Or a long row of shops, cried a lad. Lad means ladka. Or again it has to be kept into inverted comma because this is being spoken by this lad, this boy. I know what it will be, said a girl. Up again this sentence is being said by this girl, so it has to be put into inverted comma. Said a girl up a tree. Now what is next sentence? A new park. So now aren't you glad? This sentence is again spoken by this girl only, so it has to be kept into inverted comma, and this remains completed. The worksheet 10 completed. Inverted comma makes such difference, so it has to be learnt properly. Okay, now do it yourself. It has to be done by you only, and by now I am sure that you have understood the chapter, तो खुद से कर सकते हो. चलो फिर भी let's do it. A young scientist. Fill in the blanks by writing the appropriate article in each space provided. Write a null. This has to be written null. Scientists were not required. अगर जहाँ पर ज़रूरत नहीं है वहाँ पर null डाल देना है. Two have been done for you as an example. A young scientist called Frankenstein started trying to create life. Okay, nothing is required here, so it is null. He used, nothing is required here. He used electricity to do this after a year. ध्यान रहे, sound, vowel sound के according we use a and. Okay, so this is consonant sound, so we are using a. A year of struggle, he succeeded, but he created a monster. And now this monster, we are talking about this monster only, so we are writing here the monster was very large and ugly. People hated and feared him. The monster wanted love, but he learned to hate. Then one day he killed a boy, any boy. Frankenstein was in a state of shock. He realized, shock means बहुत दुख में होना. He is shocked हो जाना, not able to decide what to do and what to not. Okay, he realized it was an error, vowel sound E, an error to have created such a creature, consonant sound. So it is A. He regretted means पछतावा होना, repentance. He regretted having wasted his time over a useless. U is vowel sound. Okay, U is vowel. U is vowel, but its sound is consonant. So it is over a useless creature and decided to kill it. Okay, so ये हो गया. Now rearrange. What is there next? Rearrange the following phrases to make meaningful sentences. The first one has been done for you. It's very easy. ये तो तुम लोग कर सकते हो. So ours was an interesting family. Ram was the eldest and eldest, and so a favorite of the family. Favorite of the family, full stop. Then Nina. Okay, Nina was 6.5 years. 6.5 years younger than him. Full stop. Sonal, comma, who was the second born was a big bully, बहुत बदमाश, was a big bully. Then Nina was an intelligent girl, but Sonal was a boy then what is without common sense, full stop. This is all. Okay, so this remains completed. So first chapter of your practice book is completed, and you are instructed to revise and read it again for better understanding. Thank you and stay safe. Bye.